Good afternoon. My name is Abdul Hassan and I today my topic is application of reflection. So let's begin to our first slide. It tells that here are some examples of reflection on spherical surfaces. First one is camera. Second one is eyes, like human eyes, water droplets, and binoculars, light reflecting from a water glass. The sixth one is microscope. The second one tells you about the telescope in glass, and ninth one is contact lens, and the last one is seeing a glass through fishbowl. So let's begin with our second slide. So in the second slide, I choose the camera as a source of refraction. So in the camera, the straight light from a source gets reflected to and enters into the camera after getting reflected through the camera lens, and this camera lens focus all the light to one point. When straight light gets reflected through the spherical surface as a medium of light waves change from a dense medium, so then the image has been captured in a digital form. So as you see in the third slide, that there is a picture which tells you about that the light enters from the source into the camera lens. So you can see that here is a sun. I mean, as a sun as a source of light. The light reflects from the to the sun, and then it is reflected to the camera lens, and the light enters the camera lens. So in the fourth slide, you can see that there is a big picture which tells you about that how the light is reflected uh, and it enters into the camera lenses. So here are the lens groups and the body of lens, which reflects the camera lens in where the light reflected with the lens in the camera, and then it enters into the where it as in the fourth slide, where the light ray enters in the camera main sensor of camera, and it strikes on the sensor of camera, and it converts the analog form of image into a digital form of image picture. So in the last slide that you can see that the presentation has ended. So thank you guys.